I'm going to put, let me see. Let me show you guys. So it's called the Black Girl Sunscreen, and it's a moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body. And it's water resistant, it's oxybenzone and octinoxate free, and it has no right residue, and it is fragrance free. It is Black owned and it's carried in Marshalls, or you can go to their website. And the SPF is 30. I'm not gonna say all the words, but it has really good benefits. And it literally says limit your time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So let's stay away from the sun between 10 to 2. Well, it's 2. By the time I leave, it's going to be around 3. And where does the directions? It just says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. So we're going to do that then. I was going to put on my other skin moisturizer, but I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna apply some of this on now. So it's thick. It's sticking to my, well, it's sliding down a little. All right. So it's fragrance free. I do smell some of the oils that are in here. Oh, this is really nice. I always show my neck a lot, so it's for the body. I'm gonna put some on my neck a little, my chest. I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, so I was on her Instagram live about 30 minutes ago, and she said that it helps with hyperpigmentation, dark spots. So that's a good thing to know if you guys want to purchase. I will be using it for the rest of the week, and I will let you guys know. I do live in Miami, so the sun rays are very, very high here, and UV rays. So I'm definitely putting on glasses on when I do step out. All right, we're about to do brows. And I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe. And what color is this in again? Chocolate mousse. So brows are very important to me. You don't even have to wear makeup. And I use this brow gel. Let me give you guys a story time. Freshman year of college, I was going to a wax lady to wax my brows, and she went a little happy on this side, and it's just now growing back. You can tell that she took some of this part away, and I noticed that my brows been growing back because I do have a business page called Alux Naturals, and I do have lash and brow oil here, which I've been using myself, and it's just pretty much castor oil and vitamin E to retain moisture, but to also circulate the blood flow and growth of hair repairments. So I apply this at nighttime before bed, and I rinse it off in the morning. I do have lashes, as you guys can see. I don't really put them on my lashes. I just focus more on my brows, but it can be interchangeably. I just highly recommend to not use the same brow applicator on your eyes and brows, because it can cross bacteria on it. I am a optician technician, so those are some of the things that you should be consciously aware before applying it. So I always brush slightly up in the directions of where my brows are. Now I use the other side. It's very, very thin, so it gives it that natural look. Try to fill it in and do light strokes. Okay, now to the other one. This side, for some reason, is a little bit more trickier because I have less hair. I look at a lot of my favorite YouTubers, and one thing that they always say is
there's always gonna be a flaw to
one brow. And honey, I must say this is my flaw brow because this one is always on fleek. So I just clean up around the edges. When I'm done, I just clean up. So I'm gonna fill this in a little bit more. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna brush into the shape of desired. Now this is the icing on the cake. This is just the batter. What's really makes my brows look more presentable and last longer is this Anastasia brow gel. It doesn't have no crusting in it, so, and it's clear and it dries up really hard to keep my hairs in place. Okay, so that's done. I will be right back and put my clothes on. Okay guys, so I'm all done and I'm about to step out and see what life brings. Okay, welcome back. I am back from Marshall's and I stopped by Jersey Mike's to get some sandwiches for dinner. I ended up getting a turkey slab. So let's move this right along. There wasn't much in Marshall's. From what I have seen, there was the same things that I seen back in March before we had the major shutdown with the pandemic that occurred, that is still occurring. So I'll just show you a few things that I did get for myself. And this first one is from Earth Therapeutics, Pearl Organic. The brand is really good when it comes to the feet. And this is the cosmetic brush cleaning solution. It is retailed at $3.99. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. So it has tea tree oil botanicals to purify and soften the brushes. And it has like a nice little pump. So I'm gonna try that since I will be doing my makeup. One of the other things that I did get that I didn't get last time is these moisturizing foot masks. And I tend to get a lot of rough patches and callous skin, of course. And it says this intensive hydration nourishes and refreshes, and it does have coconut and rose petal. And it's a sock, and it's to smooth, rust dry, callous skin. So this comes with three pairs, and this was $4.99. So I love Free People. I'm more on the curvier side, but Free People's tops tend to be a little bit more bigger, which is really good. So I ended up getting this top. It was retailed, well, their price, Free People's price, was $48. Marshall's was $14.99, and then it went to $12. It's this nice breathable white top. I usually don't do white, but it's slouchy. I can wear it at home or if I'm on the go. So this is one of the things that I did get. And then another top that I did get from Free People, it was retailed from their part $118. Wasn't gonna get that for $118. The retail price for Marshall's was $29.99, and then it went to $20. So it's this, I wouldn't know what to call it. It's a button down, and it has nice sleeves to it. I'll try it on for you guys and let you guys know how it looks. I couldn't really record much because there was a lot of people inside Marshall's, and I did get anxiety a little. Some people were sneezing, some people were pulling their masks down, smelling perfumes, and I said, oh, time to go. So I was only in there roughly 15-20 minutes. I knew what I was looking for, I knew what I wanted, and then I left out. So after that, I went and got something to eat, and that was it. I washed my hands and stuff, guys, so don't freak out. The Black Girl Sunscreen, I must say it kept my face really moisturized. I'm not wearing no makeup. I do have a little bit of acne occurring due to hormonal months, but other than that, I like it so far. So I will let you guys know how that will work in the next week as well.